In this video, we're going to do another example of subtract 1,000. So here's the operation, and I'm going to give you RA before, RA before, come on. Before, cell 1,000, and here's what we're solving for, is RA after. Now this one is a little funny, and I can tell you right off the bat I don't fully understand why it is what it is, but we'll kind of go through what the book offers. All right, so what's given is a negative, and this is a packed word. RA before, and then that's 0, 0, 9. And then this is minus, and this is also packed 2,000. 150 is packed. And this is 0. And we're going to solve for this. So let's go right to left. Right to left. We know that subtract is V is subtracted from RA. So if you start with RA, we're subtracting V from it. And we're doing that, I think, for each of the fields. So if we go right to left, what ends up happening is we get 9 minus 0. I would assume that's 9. In the book, for some reason, the result is just a question mark. I have no idea why. So leave a comment if you know why. So that's for that. Then we have the 150. And here's another funny thing. I would think that RA minus V for the second field is just 0, 0 minus 150, which would be minus 150. Instead, what the book says is it's 149. Now, the only thing I could think of is if the packed 150 tries to operate on first this 0, and then it overflows, and somehow that ends up putting a 1 here, and then in a subsequent operation, somehow the 1, 0, 150 ends up resulting in 149. I don't know, but it's really weird. That's what the book says. Leave a comment if you understand what's going on. The last operation for the last field here is pretty easy, because that's just going to be negative 1,234 minus a negative is a plus, so positive 2,000, and that's going to be 766, positive 766, which is what we get. Okay, so that is subtract 1,000. Don't fully understand why that's the case, and apologies for the noise from the gardeners. One day maybe I'll have a studio, but for this content, I think this is This is fine.